Did Papa forget to do tie? He forget to do the supermarket haul. That's what you just said to me? Yeah. Babe was packing out the ice creams because it's hot. So Tyler said, no, Papa, you forget to do the supermarket haul, right? Yeah. Alright, so let's go. Let's show Faith what you got. You and Papa went to supermarket?
This is the surprise for Mama.
You and Papa bring back a surprise for Mama?
Yes, what is called Papa?
I don't know what
It's Mama's favorite chocolate. Mama love white chocolate. It's white chocolate.
It's white chocolate.
Yes, and it's for who?
For Mama.
Exactly.
This is expensive for me.
Oh, you buy a new one this time. That one looks pretty. I like it. Okay.
You wanted something different. You don't want it.
That's cool.
Power is for you.
And for who else? Who've been drinking a lot of Mama Powerade? What else is in there?
More
Okay, can you tell Papa to help you, please?
Do you need Papa help?
Yes.
Okay.
The boys went to supermarket and just got back. What's that?
Ice cream for Papa.
No.
Please?
Yo.
You're good for Papa. Just a little bit, I think you have some.
Yeah, we have a good amount in the
And
fridge.
this is sausage for me, Papa.
What is that?
Mama. This is cake
Uh-huh.
Cake for Papa.
and me and Mama.
So what did you say? When Papa took a chocolate, what did you say to Papa? Yes, but you said something else. You wanted to try something else?
Yeah.
Okay. So
What you wanted to try?
Show Mama what you wanted to try. This one.
You got something new?
I just wanted different brand.
Oh, you wanted to try a different one? Okay.
This one.
Okay, cool.
Are you not going to supermarket with Tyler when you want something? Let's just say, okay, let's get it.
Oh, yeah. What is that? What is that, Ty? It's the air freshener for the house. It's to throw in the bottles. Thank you. And
We
Papa
buy
did.
you one more too.
One more what? Air freshener?
Yeah.
Oh, you bought two?
Show this. What is that?
The juice for me for school. Oh, there's the pack.
Mm-hmm. No, put the juice over there in the kitchen.
One. So how many Powerade we have?
10.
Good job.
We put the power here.
Okay. Done it.
Done it for who?
For me.
Okay.
What? Ooh, okay.
Back.
I was thinking you'd pick up rib. I felt I was gonna tell her to pick rib.
Oh, you should have told me.
That's okay.
And then what is that?
Power in.
Die.
Chicken, and more chicken. All of the type of chicken.
All the
Thigh,
parts.
leg, all of the parts. Thigh, leg, and wing.
Uh-huh.
Boom.
More power in.
Good job.
A juice?
For who?
Power.
Juice, well, I gotta say that I'm feel the only one to drink it.
For Mama.
I've been drinking apple juice lately.
Okay.
You don't realize
Yay!
that it's going down fast?
Well, I was feeling guilty.
That's why you only take one? It's me drinking it in the night
Some
when
more
I
ice
wake up.
cream.
Okay.
Mama.
Yes, Ty.
I love the power in here.
Yeah.
It's because we buy 10.
Okay.
How many
Guys,
now?
You
oh, I
tell
found
me.
this. I hope it's good.
Yes, it's perfect. You got two?
Why 2?
I told you I want 2. You like to test me. Thank you, Tyler. I need sanitizer. I need 1 for our room and I need 1 for the living room for when Sarah comes.
You can use that as a sanitizer.
So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to sanitize with the ketchup. Off camera.
Off camera? You don't want to know? I don't want to know.
Lena? Good job. Papa got ham fatay. What else did Papa got for you?
At the land.
What?
But I'm gonna taste it at school and when you pick me up at school I'm gonna tell you if it tastes good.
Okay. You got 2 biscuits, right?
No, 1. You need 2. Well, I can get 1 from other one.
I told you to stock up because you don't know what's going to happen in the week.
Well, be satisfied with what you get, okay? Tell mommy, be satisfied with what
you going to have to go back? I'm trying.
Satisfied what you got.
Okay, I'm going to be satisfied.
Boy gang.
Don't worry, the girl gang is on its way.
Boy gang.
The girl gang is on its way. I'm not
gang.
sad. You teaming up with Papa?
Yes.
All right, that was everything.
Yeah.
Yes.
Please, I'm a police. I'm gonna give Mama question.
You're always a police, aren't you?
Yes.
Exactly.
I'm a
What's
police.
new? What's new today, Mr. Officer?
I'm playing with my toys.
Okay.
And I'm playing with police too.
But him say, I'm a police and I'm gonna ask you questions.
Yes. You are pick me.
Who's picking me?
Papa pick me.
You're picking me. You're picking me.
Bisous.
You're picking me.
Okay, bye.
Mom.
Morning, guys. Well, Friday. Friday. C'est le dernier jour de l'école? Avant le week-end?
Non.
Non, tu vas à l'école le samedi?
Oui.
You're funny.
Who's funny?
Hi, Fibs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, as you can see, everybody's busy around here getting ready to head out. Tyler is getting ready for school, baby's getting ready for work, and I'm getting ready to come back and eat and go back to sleep.
No, but Papa gonna pick. But Papa gonna call me from school.
Papa gonna what?
Call me from school.
Papa gonna pick you up from school?
No, call me.
Papa gonna carry you to school?
Yeah.
You want Papa to carry you to school?
Yeah.
But if Papa do that, Papa gonna be late for work, so Mama have to carry you?
No.
What? Well, ask Papa if he's gonna carry you to school, call him.
Papa, tu vas me porter à l'école.
What he say?
On va aujourd'hui.
Hmm?
On va aujourd'hui.
What?
On va aujourd'hui.
I hear nothing you say cause you laughing.
On va aujourd'hui.
Oh, you ask him where are you going to school today?
Yes.
Yeah, not up school. Put your foot in.
Uh,
It's down school. Put your foot in. So
No.
Mama gonna carry you?
No. No. No.
And it's gonna be a hot day, so you have to wear your hat, okay?
Okay. I had barbecue.
Yeah.
It's hot all day.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
What does that even mean?
Bisous. Hug.
Et bisous sur l'épaule.
Bisous.
Where you get this kidney from? He's is a goofball. Ty!
Alors, papa, ça va.
Là.
Comment? Debout.
Je mets le bisou sur le bidon. Là, sur la joue. Tu es malade?
Non.
Si. Si.
I love you. Alright, au revoir.
Non.
Alors, sérieux.
Beaucoup, beaucoup, beaucoup.
Et ça, je joue avec toi, d'accord?
D'accord, je voudrais que tu restes à la maison.
Non. Papa, il est en retard.
Ici.
Toutou, mouah.
Reste ici. Reste ici.
And if Papa stay home, how does he take care of you? Making a quick sandwich for myself before I head out because I have 10 minutes. Because of the extreme heat, I realize that I cannot leave the house to drop Tyler without eating something. I feel like I'm just gonna fall to the ground, like I'm gonna pass out. I'm just gonna make this egg sandwich and walk with it because I won't have time to sit and eat. Egg sandwich ready for the road. And who's ready for school?
Mama.
Let's go say bye face. See you guys later.
Bye.
See you guys later.
I love you.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. This is the food in my stomach. Huh? We don't reach 40 as yet, silly. Oh my gosh, I just had my morning nap and I woke up. And I'm eating some pineapples, but I had to come on and tell you guys about this dream that I just had. And I'm documenting this too because I want to see if any of it will turn out to be true. Which it was so raw and real to me. I dreamt that I had baby girl, right? I dreamt that I went into labor. I had baby girl without medication, without epidural, without any IV, nothing, because the time that I reached to the hospital, they didn't have time to do that because the baby was coming that fast. I don't think that will be the case though, but I'm just telling you what happened in my dream. We got to the hospital. In my dream it was 4 p.m. to be exact, and she was born at 4:30 p.m. that fast. She was very weighty, big girl. She had no hair at all. She had chubby cheeks, and she was Tyler's complexion. What else happened in the dream? And in the dream, I remember after the birth, I was up off the bed and walking around, holding her and asking them how much she weighs, and they told me that she weighs 8 pounds and a little ounces. I can't remember how many ounces. They didn't really give me the exact ounce. They just said 8 pounds and a little ounces. I said okay. I remember asking babe, did you film did you film the birth? And he said no, because everything was going so fast he didn't get to film it. I'm like, okay, all right. The dream was just so weird. And then the nurse turned to me and said if I can go in the shower and take a shower to let the placenta fall out because they're asking for it. I'm like, but that's not how it works in real life. That's not even possible. Alright. I need to go and document this dream before I forget completely because that dream is weird. But her face shows so clear in my dream. Let's see if when it happened in reality, if that's exactly how she looked. I don't know, but that dream was weird. I guess I'm dreaming about it because I'm anticipating her so much. But this dream is weird. Very weird. I'll have to call babe and tell him about it right now. But anyway, back to reality, you guys. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. And let's see if anything about my dream will be true when the time comes. She's here. She's still here. As big and as round and as pointy as can be. My girl. Who's home?
Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Just 4 minutes.
Just for a minute because we are heading out to go to Tyler's school meeting right now. Let me give you a pen. You have a pen?
Yes, to that.
At least that you should have in your bag.
At least I should have a pen.
And I am not looking forward to the heat
to walk in the
outside to walk to Tyler's school. But gotta do it, gotta do it. I have my frozen water and my frozen Powerade, so your girl is good to go. Ready, babe?
I'm ready.
Alright, let's do this.
Good morning.
It's not morning.
Afternoon.
Right, look who is home. My sweet boy, Tyler. Oh, you're kissing on baby sister. Oh. Okay, where did Mama and Papa go just now? Where were we?
School inside.
Yes, what were we doing at school?
You was picking me up.
What did we do before we pick you up?
Look at my picture.
No, we went to have a meeting with your teacher,
Yes.
right?
Just not.
So, we're gonna show them your report from school. But first, let's show Faves all the things that you've been doing at school, right?
Yeah.
Turn.
This is when I put all the shapes. Here is the square, here is the triangle, and here is the circle.
Very good. What is this one?
And this here it tell me where to put the dumbbells in the same of this, and I put one finger, two finger, three fingers.
Very good. Wow.
I finished here.
You finished this one.
Yeah.
And it's very pretty.
Yeah.
Good job. This is the month of June. It becomes very sunny. Good job.
Yeah.
Ah!
Here I did Spider-Man Tyler, and I put my picture and I spelled my name here.
Okay, and you're putting out the fire.
Yeah.
Good job. Oh.
And here I did the ice
Funny.
cream, but I didn't color. I didn't finish color, but
You
that's
did
okay.
a good job, but next time you try and finish, okay?
Okay.
But you did very well. Ooh.
Does it work
different outfit, Papa.
and 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 it tells me to put to color the dumbbells, and here
You have to look for the color and then color it, right?
yes, and here
One you're
says
supposed to color it in.
red.
Very good. Very good.
Two, we need to color it in the black. Ding ding.
Very good.
Three, we
you have
need
to
to color it in brown.
brown.
Ding ding.
Good job.
The four, we need to color it in orange. Ding 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 ding. but the four is only here but not here.
Okay, and the 5
It's here. Ding ding.
in blue, and the 6.
Ding ding.
It was basically Tyler end of year meeting, and we got like a little report for him that stays in a folder at school. But the report is written that Tyler is a very good boy. He follow all school rules. He does well in school. He share with all his friends, and he speaks very well. And he's to keep up the good work. You happy? Yeah. You're doing well at school, Mama is so proud of you, okay?
Yes.
Good
Very
job.
good.
Mm?
It's very good.
Yes. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss for
I
doing well at
eat
school. Mwah. Dinner for the fam. Di, you coming to have dinner? Okay. Okay.